how to remove incognito mode in Google Chrome. Now say for example you want to be able to open Chrome and you don't want the incognito to pop up here as one of the option. There's actually a way for us to get this done. I'm going to show you. So as you can see, when we did that one earlier, you were able to open the incognito. But I'm going to show you how to disable this one here in our PC. First things first, I want you to go ahead and run the registry editor just like so. And then from here, what you're going to do is just look for this one right here, HQ local machine. Open the software, and then I want you to go ahead and scroll down to the policies, and you have Google here, right? So if you are going to right click on it, you can actually go ahead and enter here a new key, and that key I'm going to go ahead and name this one Chrome. So here I'm going to right click new, and then click the word 32-bit value. So you should be able to see something like this. Now I want you to go ahead and type exactly as how I do it. So incognito mode availability. All right, and then you can go ahead and basically click here somewhere, and then I want you to double click it and enter a value here of 1, hit OK, and then I want you to go ahead and close this one. Now after you do that one, I want you to go ahead and basically close this one right here, close any Chrome that you have, right click on it, and then choose new incognito. If you're going to do that one, it's actually going to open a new profile of yours. So this is one of the profile that I have here, and if I were to go ahead and click this over here, you will see that the new incognito window here is now grayed out. So if I were to go ahead and click on it, you see that I will no longer be able to do that. Now how about if we are going to use this command here, Control-Shift-N? If I were to go ahead and do that, it's actually not allowing me to do so. So it's not opening the incognito anymore. And that, everybody, is how you are going to disable incognito mode in your PC.